SEO Writing AI is offering 65% discount on its yearly plans and 30% discount on its monthly plans as a part of its Black Friday deals. This is a limited time offer, so to get this discount, click on the first link given in this video's description and then log in into your SEO Writing account. Go to your profile icon, click on Billing. Click Upgrade Now. First we will see how to get discount in monthly plans. Select monthly and select any plan that you want. On the payment page, enter the coupon code BF30month and then click Apply. You can see that we have received a 30% discount. Now let's see how to get 65% discount in the yearly plans. Select yearly and you can see that we get a 25% discount here. Select any plan and on the payment page use the coupon code BF40year. Click Apply and you can see that we have received a 40% discount and we already received a 25% discount, making it almost a 65% discount. If you are watching this video after 2nd December, that is after the Black Friday sale ends, then you can use the coupon code WBExplainer to get a 25% discount on all the plans. After getting the discount, you can go ahead and complete the payment. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to use SEO Writing AI, then you can check these videos right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.